بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طلابي في مدرسة السابلة سوف نبدأ في تسجيل دروس عن قواعد الصف الأول ثانوي باللغة الإنجليزية. Today we are going to start with grammar in Unit 8. The first lesson will be about the time expressions. The time expressions that are included in the unit are when, before, why, and by the time that. Let's start with number one. Number one is when. When we use it in the main clause to give extra information the time of the events took place. Took place means happened. Let's start with the usage of when. We use it in events that took place at the same time. Two actions happened at the same time. Read the example. Example, when we sat down to eat, the phone rang. So we use sat and we use rang. Both are in the simple past, but they happened at the same time. Also we use sometimes with the past perfect. Past perfect like had eaten here, to talk about an event that finished before the event in the main clause. So when we had eaten, the phone rang. When we finished eating, the phone rang. Okay, let's move to the second one. The second one is by the time. By the time is used one activity finished before the other one. So we have two activities, one finished before the other one. The example, by the time that I arrived to the station, the train had left. So by the time I arrived, it's in the simple past, but notice that we have had left is in the past perfect. The past simple in the independent clause and the past perfect in the main clause. Let's move to the third one. The third one is before. Before, to say that one action happened before another. So one action or two actions we have, one happened before the other. Before I went to bed, I did something. What is it? I read a chapter of my book. This is when we know when the action happened. So we use two things, two verbs in the past simple. But in the other example here, we notice that before I met my pen friend, I had never met an Australian. We use it with the simple past and past perfect. Use the past perfect in the main clause when we are talking about unspecified time in the independent clause. Okay, let's move to the last one, which why. While is used to link two events that happen at the same time. They are happening at the same time. While I was reading a book, my brother was watching TV. The two actions were happening at the same time. I was reading and my brother was watching TV. Also, we use it with a simple past, for example. While I was taking a bath, the doorbell rang. That's it for our lesson today. We are going to continue with other lessons. See you next video. Bye.